Hello again, this is Professor Hartley, and I thought I'd take you through the steps once more on posting through your email. And since you're more likely than not to be using that function through your phone rather than your laptop or your computer, because if you're on your computer, you might as well just get right into the browser and do your posting, I'll show you how to do so in your email on your phone. That's if you don't happen to have the Blogger app on your phone, or you just find it easier to do so through email. So just as some reminders, I'm going to open up Safari, my main browser here, and this brings me back into blogger.com, which is the posting creation section. Remember, it's not the place to view your blog, but to upload posts into it. And you can see here are some of my posts listed here. And if I slide over into the side menus under settings, I'll press that. And under email, I'll get into there, slide back over, and you can see that the email address is ougroove.temp@blogger.com. I had created that in the first video, and I'll be changing that, but for right now that's still a good one to use. So just to remember, ougroove.temp@blogger.com. So I will close out of there, get into my mail, and I will start a new message. OU, and there it is, already in there because I already sent myself a message from my phone. So I'll say new phone email message, and here is my latest email post. Alright, and for right now I'm not going to work with images and so on, but whatever you can do in email you can send into your blog, and so I'll just send that, and it will come in as email here, but I'm less interested in that. Let's go to the Blogger app. We could just go back into the browser, but here's new phone email message, and that's the one I just created, and here it is. And just as with any other one, I can click on the three dots up in the corner, edit the post, and so on. So there you go.